Gradient of rainfall, how much fell here versus 10 miles away, was incredible. Dry Creek, Onion Creek, and Far East Austin really got hammered. Downtown Austin didn't even get an inch of rain, if you can believe that. Neither did the Hill Country. But look at this. We're zoomed in on the bullseye. This is why people were swept off the road on Dry Creek at 8:16, was it? 8:13? 812, I'm sorry, 812 and SH 130. This is why. Look at this. This is zoomed in on Metro Austin down to the southeast. This is right near the airport where we got record rain yesterday evening of nearly 9 inches. So these radar estimated totals, they're absolutely accurate. Look at this. We had a bullseye down near Del Valley and also near, I shouldn't say Del Valley, this is down near Elroy in the Coda track. 8 to 9 inches. That is right over Dry Creek. Now, fortunately, Onion Creek just didn't get it that bad this time, but you can see why Dry Creek and the Colorado River certainly have a tremendous amount of water flowing in this morning. I told you Austin barely got anything at all. These are mainly an inch or less. You can always check out your neighborhood totals on KXAN.com. But look at this. This is why we're going to see a major, potentially devastating flood on the Colorado River downstream of Austin. 8 to 9 to 11 to 12 inches of rain fell, and all of that is flowing in our creeks down to the main river through this area, which is, of course, the Colorado River. Just incredible rainfall totals, but fortunately that storm is out of here. Now, we don't need any more rain, and we're not going to get much more. Notice in the recent frames of the radar, all that rain that's trying to come our way from the north is just not going to. These are the storms that just sat over the same area. We had tornado warnings overnight, nothing confirmed on the ground. We had incredible storms dropping incredible rain. This is a classic setup that we see sometimes here, a boundary setup with training thunderstorms along it, dropping heavy rain over the same spots over and over again. Fortunately, places like Wimberley and the Blanco River barely got any rain at all, and you're looking just fine. This is the latest hour of our radar. Now, that was the last 6 hours I just showed you, and you can see, really, we don't have any more rain falling, and we're not really concerned with that. But here's what we are concerned with. That's the flood warnings in effect. Onion Creek, I told you we didn't get that bad. It's in a moderate flood stage right now, but at that level, moderate, no homes, no businesses are threatened, not too big of a deal. Flooding will be ending officially there this afternoon. Here's the different story. Bastrop down to Smithville. Flood stage is 23 feet. We're already approaching or over that in Bastrop and Smithville, and the crest is expected to get 10 or 11 feet higher, up to 33 feet late this morning. Now, these are the highest levels that we've seen on the Colorado from Bastrop to Smithville since Memorial Day and since October 31st of last year. So you remember this well. This is going to ring familiar like what we saw last year. Down in LaGrange, this is going to be a higher crest than we've seen since 2004, a long time ago. So if you haven't lived in Fayette County near the Colorado River since 2004 or earlier, this is going to be the worst Colorado River flood that you've ever witnessed. Right now, flood stage is set at 26 feet. That's when flooding officially begins. It's cresting at 40 feet tonight. We are officially, by the way, already over flood stage this morning. So as we told you, we have evacuation notices for the following counties, following communities, I should say, in Bastrop County. These are near Bastrop and Smithville, Doty River Estates, Hidden Valley Estates, and Pecan Shores. In LaGrange, we don't have any evacuation orders, but we will see some flooding in the Fritch-Off subdivision and at the trailer park down on 71 near the river. Here's a different view of those big complex of storms moving through. There's the complex to our north, not impacting us much this morning, and our forecast is actually pretty nice through the day today, if you can believe that. Our forecast continues to have a little chance of rain each day through the holiday weekend. 20 or 30%, not enough to wash out your plans. It's going to be hot, muggy, and mainly dry for your weekend plans. Here's an hour-by-hour look at those storms pulling out this morning. Sunshine with a mix of a few clouds this afternoon. Just a small chance of any additional rain. If we get enough sunshine in here, that could energize the atmosphere enough to make a little bit more rain. I think your rain chances are only at 20% later today at the best. Later on tonight, we are totally dry for your outdoor plans. Tomorrow morning, we wake up a little cloudy, and by the afternoon, we're going to enjoy plenty of sun. Now, late tomorrow evening, we might see a few scattered storms, so keep that radar handy in your pocket. On Sunday, we'll rinse and repeat. Clouds in the morning, couple scattered showers and storms in the afternoon. All right, let's get you to your forecast here. Before we do that, we'll check out your rain totals. Nothing more impressive is expected. These rain totals already happened that you're seeing on the forecast model. All right, today we're up to 87 degrees with some sun actually finally making a welcome reappearance. Later on tonight, your Friday night plans are mainly dry and they're mainly warm with temperatures in the 70s. Here's another look at your continued scattered showers and storms over the holiday weekend. Better chances of rain and another potential heavy rain event are setting up during the middle of next week. We're going to keep you posted on that.